Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the mirrors, outside high-visibility vertical camper style, black, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, cruise control, electronic, alternator, 160 amps, engine, Vortec 6.0L variable valve timing SPI, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, skid plate package, frame-mounted shields, spare tire lock, battery, auxiliary heavy-duty 600 cold cranking amps, maintenance-free, license plate front mounting package and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.